Hey guys, we had snow. This is kind of a update video, so I have something to tell you about. So out here taking pictures of Darren and Sam in the snow. But I have some information I want you to know. So it looks like we're having a little bit of a life crisis, and we'll be moving out of Oregon and into the state of California. So unfortunately, it's going to be saying goodbye to these for now. We're planning to come back to Oregon eventually. But we're moving to Oakhurst, California. So it ought to be interesting. It's a mountain town. But I'm gonna have to put my YouTube channel on autopilot. I might miss a few uploads during the time we're moving, because we'll be moving in about 3 weeks. At the time of recording, it is December 27th. So we'll be moving probably around January 16th. It's cold out here, but it's really cool. I'm gonna get more Instagram pictures. Well, I wanted to update you guys and let you know what's going on. So if you don't see my interaction with the comments or on the Facebook groups, you'll know why. And then we'll see you on the other end. And hopefully you'll see some really cool pictures coming out of Oakhurst, California. Talk to you guys later. You know what I find disappointing? The g.i.joe Extreme ski set didn't come with ski poles. That's kind of a bummer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.